No, Dot, you can't go in there. See, look at Dolly. Look at Dolly just sitting over there nice and calm, not wanting to get in here and eat the chickens. You guys like that grass I threw in there for you? Yeah, it's good for you. Come on, guys. Some of you are getting out here. I want to see what you guys can do outside. Let's go, soldiers. Come on. Come on. Come on. Chip, 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 chip. You're right there. You're right at the door. What are you doing? Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Guys, come on. I'll come in there. Come on, get out. Get out there. Stop playing video games in your room and get out here. Go enjoy the day. It's a beautiful day outside. It's nice and warm. Come on. Come on now. Don't you jump. Don't you fly off on me now. Oh, shush. See? You're fine. You're fine. I got you. See, guys? It's not so bad out here, is it? Huh? What's going on, buddy? Oh, here we go. Here we go. You gonna peck me or something? Hmm? I'm gonna grab you. I will grab you. Nope, nope. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, get some of that. Now they're coming out. Guys, come on. It's such a beautiful day out here. Look at this. And you're not even coming out here. Come on. Chip, 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 chip. Look at that one just sitting on the bucket. So you guys are going to do it the hard way, huh? We're going to do this the hard way? We're doing this the hard way? All right. You want to do it the hard way. Let's do it the hard way. All right. I got one in my lap here. You guys see? It's okay for you to come out here. I'm not going to be mad at you if you do. Come on. I'm not saying all of you need to come out here, but I want a couple of you to actually come out here. Eventually, when you guys get bigger and I can keep an eye on you better, I'll be able to let you all out here. You see this one little birdie right here? You see her? You see this bird? She's enjoying it. I'm not even really hanging on to her anymore. I'm just holding her now. There you go. You see that? You see that? No, 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 don't go back in. No, no, no. Ah, come on. Look at that one. He's challenging me. You challenging me, huh? Mr. Bucket Man? Oh, you came back? Look who came back. Oh. You want to play? Huh? Oh. Oh. Come on, you like this? You guys like this? Oh, oh, oh. You gotta come outside to get it. Get in that grass. See, you like that? Do you not like that? No, 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 no. There you go. I mean, You're not gonna get in that way. There is a huge wasp on my gate. And I hate wasps so much. Ugh. Get out of my chicken pen. Get out of my chicken pen. Ah! Yeah. That's what you get. Wasp came into the wrong neighborhood.